Hi, I'm Erin Clark from wellplated.com, and if you agree with me that there isn't a problem in the world that a nice ooey gooey cookie can't make a little bit better, then you are going to love this monster cookie recipe. So we're gonna start out the way all great cookie recipes do, and that is with some butter and sugar. So I have a stick of butter that I'm going to add to the mixer, and this is softened to room temperature. That is very important. If your butter's not soft, it won't incorporate properly. Next, I'm gonna add brown sugar. I like using dark brown sugar because it has a lot of moisture and it gives the cookies a really rich caramely flavor. Next, some granulated sugar. And now I'm going to cream the two of these until they're nice and light and fluffy. If your butter and sugar start sticking to the bottom of the bowl, the way mine kind of is here, all you have to do is grab your trusty spatula, give it a scrape. All right, our butter and sugar is nice and light. So now I'm going to add our next ingredient, and that is peanut butter. All right, now we mix it one more time. Ooh, I can already smell the peanut butter. Next, we're going to add 1 large egg, and again, just like the butter, this is at room temperature. When all of your ingredients are a similar temperature, it's gonna give you the best, softest, chewiest cookie. Next, an essential ingredient, for me at least, in any baking recipe, and that's pure vanilla extract. A lot of other cookie recipes would call for you to stir all the dry ingredients together in a separate bowl. Personally, I hate dishes, so I came up with a way to make these monster cookies all in this one bowl right here. So to do that, you want to sprinkle your salt and baking soda right over the top. I'm going to just mix this a little bit until they're combined, and then I'm going to slowly add the flour with the mixer running on low. So now we're gonna let this mix just until the flour disappears, which it looks like it is about to. I'm gonna give my bowl a scrape. And now I have just one more dry ingredient to add, and that is our old-fashioned rolled oats. I like using old-fashioned oats in this recipe because they're a little heartier and they give the cookies a really nice texture. Okay, now that the oats are in, it is time to switch to a different kind of mixing, and that is called elbow grease. Things are about to get even more delicious. This is where the monster part of monster cookies comes in. I'm adding peanut butter chips, chocolate chips. I'm gonna add some M&M candies too. I really love dark chocolate, so those are the kind that I'm adding, but if you prefer milk chocolate or even want to get wild and add peanut, follow your heart. All right, grab your spatula and just get in there. Now at this point, our cookie dough can be frozen for a couple of months, or you can refrigerate it overnight. Personally, I like to chill it for about a half hour if I'm not in a hurry because it makes the cookies texture even better. But they also taste pretty good if you bake them right away, and I'm feeling a little impatient for a cookie, so I'm gonna go ahead and scoop them right onto my baking sheet. So here I have a cookie sheet that I have lined with parchment paper. I find that that helps the cookies bake really evenly, and it makes cleanup a breeze too. To scoop the cookies, I like to use this handy dandy little scoop here and make sure that they are all the same size so that they bake evenly. Look at that, we have M&Ms, chocolate chips, peanut butter chips in every single cookie. Okay, I'm gonna pop the cookies into a 350-degree oven. They bake really quickly, 8 to 10 minutes is all they need. Would you look at these? Each one is pillowy soft and absolutely packed with peanut butter and chocolate. I'm gonna let these cool for a few minutes, get to scooping the rest, and then all I need is this pan and a cold glass of milk. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Erin Clark from wellplated.com, and I hope these monster cookies are as big a hit around your house as they are in mine.